Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is White Literature in English year 2019. Past question. Question number 40. So we are still using the same citation or quotation to answer this question number 40. Question number 40 says the speaker's attitude to the addressee is on dash. The speaker's address to the addressee is on dash. That is the subject matter. That is the subject matter. What the speaker centers on, the topic the speaker center on about their discussion. So A, spite, B, heavy, C, friendliness, D, in toad. The correct option here is C, friendliness. So he wants them to become one, or in order to resolve their dispute and become friends again. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.